Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's topic, I want to quickly cover one important point that I missed in the previous lecture. Who created JavaScript? JavaScript was created by Braden Ike in 1995 while he was working at Netscape. I miss mentioning this in the previous lecture, so I wanted to cover it first. Now let's move on to today's topic, JavaScript variable. Open your browser, right click, inspect, and go to the console. Here we can directly write and run JavaScript code. Console.log, hello, semicolon. Here we can see our output. Now let's understand what a variable is. A variable is a container used to store data. Think of it like a box. The box has name and inside the box we store a value. Let name is equal to Ifra, semicolon. Here let is the keyword, name is the variable name and Ifra is the value stored inside the variable. Now we can see the value stored inside our variable console.log name semicolon. See output. Let's understand this syntax. Let age is equal to 24 semicolon console.log age semicolon. See output. Age is the variable name. The equal sign is used to assign a value and 24 is the value. So this means create a variable called values. Now I'm adding let is student. See output console.log is student semicolon. See output true. Here we store three different values. We will learn about this data type in detail later. Variable can store different type of value. For example, we can store text, numbers and true or false. Now you may be wondering why do we need variable? Imagine we need to use a user's name many times in our program. Instead of writing the same value again and again, we can store it inside a variable. Let username console.log. Now, whenever we need the user's name, we can simply use username. Now, let's understand let. We use let when the value of a variable may change. Let City is equal to Pune. Semicolon. Console.log city. Now let's change the value. City is equal to Hyderabad. Semicolon. Console.log city. The value change from Pune to Hyderabad. So remember, a let variable can be reassigned. Now let's look at const. We use const when we don't want to reassign a variable. Const country India. This error means the variable country has already been declared, so JavaScript doesn't allow us to declare it again in the same scope. India. Console.log country India. Now let's try to change its value. Country is equal to USA. Enter. Uncalf type error assigned to constant variable. And we get an error because a constant variable cannot be reassigned. So remember, const cannot be reassigned. The third keyword is var can be used to create variable. It is the older way of declaring variable. In modern JavaScript, we generally prefer let and const. Var language is equal to JavaScript semicolon. Console.log language. So simple rule is use const by default. Use let when the value need to change, and var is the older way that you may see in older JavaScript code. Now let's look at some basic rules for naming variable. Valid example. See, let one name is equal to David, semicolon. This invalid because a variable name cannot start with a number. Correct. Let user1 David, semicolon. User1 but a number can be used after the first character. Variable names cannot contain space. Let user name is equal to wait, see showing the error. Let username we commonly use camelCase for variable names. JavaScript also case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. Let name John semicolon. Let name developer. Now see output for console.log. Console.log name John. Console.log name developer. Here name and name are two different variables. It's your turn. Create variable for your name, age, city, favorite food, and favorite programming language. Then print them using console.log. Change the values to your own information and practice it yourself. So that's it for today's lesson. If you are beginner and something was not clear, don't worry. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will try my best to help you. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with someone who is learning JavaScript and subscribe to Code with Khan Developer. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much.